चेतोदर्पणमार्जनं भवमहान्तावाग्निर्वापनं श्रेयकैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दाम्बुधिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृतस्वादनं सर्वात्मस्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनं. Where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? Krishna se tomara, Krishna dite paro. Tomara shakati ache. You have Krishna. Ami to kangala. Krishna Krishna bole ami. Dai tava pache pache. I have nothing, you have Krishna. That's why I'm running after you. Please, please, Krishna, Krishna. With great attachment to one who has Krishna, when that running happens, that's the running from asakti to bhava. That is the Atma Krandana, from asakti to bhava. That's how Putamadga Bhava Magataha happens. Namna Makari Bahudam Nija Sarva Shakti Satrarpitani Amitam Smaranena Kalaha Ye Katrishi Tavakripa Bhagavan Mamapi Durdaiva Mitrishamiha Chenina Anuragaha. Attachment to the holy name is far for us, is far. Anuraga to Nam Prabhu is far. What do we know about Nama? How can we can't even see Nama for who he is, that Bhagavan. But this attachment to Sadhu Guru, just this one thing, that causes attachment to the Nama. That's why it is said, when we hold to the lotus feet of Sadhu Guru tightly, happily, that's when the ecstasy in the holy name comes. What direct access to Harinama do we have? Attachment to this Sadhu Guru. Then the attachment to the Nama comes. Then power comes. Trinadapi sunichena tarore vasahishnu namani namanadena kirtaniya sada harim. Nadanam najanam na sundarim kavitam vajagadishakamaye. Mama janmani janmanishwara bhavatat bhakti haita kitta tvayi. Such a great attachment. Nothing else but you, Bhagavan. Loving service to you, Bhagavan. How can Jiva get till there? Through this Sadhu Guru. Nothing else but you, Sadhu Guru. I am just living for you. You own me. Tavai vasmi. Then too. Then that Putamat Bhava Magataha happens. Ayinanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mam Vishaming Bhavam Buddham Kripayang Tava Pada Pankaja Stita Dhuli Sadrisham Vichintaya. Placing, it is this attachment to this Sadhu Guru, this Mahat Bhakta places us as saffron dust particles at the lotus feet of Pada Padma of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. And that's how the bhava comes next. Nayanam galadashtu dharaya vadanam gadgatharuddhaya giram pulakair nichitair vapkada tava nama grihane bhavishyati. The Sadhu, Guru, the Mahat Bhakta and Holy Name are inseparable. Sadhavo hrudayam mahyam sadhunam hrudayam tamaham madanyate najati aham tebhyo managapi. Inseparable. It's not that Sadhu Guru is somewhere else and Holy Name is here. They're inseparable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In the Nama, in the Dhamma, is the Sadhu Guru, is the Sakhi. That's where Sakiranugati Seva happens. युगायितं निमिषेण चक्षुषा प्रावर्ष्यायितं शून्यायितं जगत् सर्वं गोविन्दविरहेण मे आश्लिष्य वा पादरतां पिनस्तु माम् आदर्शनं मर्महतां करोतु वाम् यदा तथा विदधातौ लम्पटो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव न परः. When manmana mamupashritaha happens, then puta matbhavamagataha happens. When the sadhu guru becomes our prana, then the holy name becomes matprananathastu sayeva na paraham. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshastakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Tara Madhya Sarvasreshta Nama Samkirtana Niraparadha Nama Lele Bhaye Premadhana. Of all the angas of bhakti, Nama Sankirtana is the best because it is this Niraparada Nama that gives us Premadhana. Atayeva Nama Matram Vaishnavera Dharma Name Prasputita Hoile Rupa Guna Karma. How can this great attachment to the Nama, to a point that it becomes our dharma, come? Dai Dava Pache Pache. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान